everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing my fall night routine in my new apartment. As you may or may not know, I actually just moved in to my new apartment, so definitely check out my moving vlogs. I'll link this playlist here, which has kind of like all of my new apartment content, so like apartment shopping, moving vlogs, apartment hunting, all of that kind of stuff. So I'll just link that whole playlist if you guys want to check it out. But I did just move into my new apartment, so I thought it would be fun to do kind of like a night routine here in the new apartment, kind of still getting into my routine. I've lived at home my entire life, so I just kind of moved out on my own, so I'm kind of figuring out like my own personal routine. But I love the fall season, and I watched my friend Vanessa's night routine, which just had all the fall vibes, and it was so nice, and it really inspired me to do one while it's still fall. Here soon I'm gonna put my Christmas decorations out, and then we're gonna be all into the holiday season. I wanted to do one kind of while it's still fall. So I hope you guys enjoy. I've been using these whitening trays, and check this out. Like, look at my teeth. I've been getting a lot of compliments. Even on FaceTime, I've been getting compliments. So I feel like my teeth have been looking amazing. So I'm gonna be telling you guys about that later on in the video because I've been using it every night. They are from Remi, and it's just a really great brand. So I'm gonna have all the information linked below. Stay tuned. Really excited to show you guys my fall night routine, and you'll also be seeing some apartment updates here. I'm actually sitting on this new chair that I got. If you follow me on Instagram, kind of already saw it. So definitely make sure to follow my Instagram at emilygrace.26. Kind of like real time behind the scene updates. I've also gotten like a new shelf and just like some little updates to show you. But let's just go ahead and get started on my night routine. Quickly, this is the new shelf. The decorations are completely temporary. I just took some random things I had, just kind of randomly stuck them on here to see what it would look like with some decorations. This little shelf is from IKEA. I will link it below if you guys are interested. I was debating if I should do like a wider, shorter one or this one. I was thinking about doing a bar cart. After looking on Pinterest, which my Pinterest is linked below, it's lots of great inspiration. After looking on there, I thought this would actually look a lot better because this is kind of a narrow space with my like kitchen island being so close. I thought the black metal and the glass shelves would kind of make it feel more open and not as like blocked off. A bar cart just wouldn't be very functional for me. I don't really drink at all. Like, I don't even think I have any alcohol in here at the moment, maybe like one bottle of wine. So I would just have to buy a bunch of stuff just to put on there, and it would never really get used. I don't really even entertain often. I have like 2 friends and they don't even like live that close. Didn't think a bar cart would be that functional for me personally. I think they are super cute. With this, I really love this one. I saw it on Pinterest, and then I was going on IKEA's website, and then I found the one I saw on Pinterest that I loved on IKEA's website, and this one was like half the price of the ones I had seen other places, and I actually liked it better because it had this part in the middle. Just need to work on decorating it and finding the right decorations. Also have this pink chair. You might have seen, if you do follow me on Instagram, I ended up getting it. I ordered my couch, but I won't be getting it for 4 to 5 months, so probably the beginning of April. But this was actually just on the floor in the furniture store, so I was able to buy it now. I love how it looks. If you guys know me and like my personality, I love pink and all things girly, but I also really love neutrals. I don't like tons of color. Thought this kind of represents like my personality and what I like while still being kind of neutral because it's a pretty faded pink. So I just thought this was really cute. My sister actually picked it out. I thought I'd give a little pop of color and something kind of fun in my apartment. I kind of wanted to put a little chair here. I just hadn't found one I loved yet. So I just wanted to show you those. That's all for now. I'll actually start with cleaning and my actual night routine so I can get started on dinner because I am kind of getting hungry. I just kind of want to get this place cleaned up. I feel like I have stuff everywhere because the last few days have been so busy. Sister being in town, my birthday, try to just kind of get organized in the next 30 minutes or so. so it's a little bit later. As you guys saw, I just made dinner and then I cleaned up. I made this like quesadilla type of thing. It's just really easy and tastes good. If you guys have any go-to recipes, leave them in the comments below because I don't really have too many like solid go-to recipes at the moment. So I would love to hear your favorites so I can try them out. Currently, I'm just sitting on the couch and I've just been watching The Office. I've been watching a lot of the Halloween episodes. I feel like The Office has a lot of good Halloween episodes, so I was just trying to get in the fall spirit. I feel like at my parents' house, typically we would always have dinner together as a family, and then we would have a show that we'd be binge watching. We would have a show that we would be like watching every single night, and we would just go through like a show like almost every month or so. I'm not really watching a specific show right now, really. Just finished Seinfeld for the first time. I had never really seen Seinfeld, so that was the last show I had watched right before I moved out with my parents. We had watched, obviously my parents had seen it. Overall, I would say it's like a pretty good show. And if you like Friends, I feel like you definitely like it. I like the older kind of shows better than newer shows. That's another thing. Comment below your guys' favorite show because I'm looking for a new show to start. I love chilling out and watching some TV after dinner. I do have some editing I need to get done. I don't know if I'll end up getting that done tonight. I'm also gonna reply to comments on my last few videos because I kind of uploaded them over the weekend where I was just kind of busy and like on the go, so I haven't really had a chance to look over, like really reply to comments on my last few videos. So I'm just going to reply to comments. I literally love reading your guys' comments on my videos and replying to them. Watch The Office and maybe start editing my video. What you just said for my vlog.
Your teeth look so white. Have you been coloring them?
I've been using teeth whitening trays from Remi. So I've just done some laundry. Super exciting. I really needed to get caught up on laundry. Just not being home much the last few days. So I'm in my room. My laptop is actually dead and I accidentally left my charger at my parents' house. I went to my parents' house last night to watch The Bachelorette and kind of like have some birthday cake. Now I'm in my bedroom looking at my desktop computer because I needed to look at my digital calendar and like emails and stuff like that. I'm in my bedroom now, but I think I am just going to actually kind of get ready for bed, take off my makeup, brush my teeth, and also use my whitening tray. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about them. I am obsessed with them. I have been using these teeth whitening trays from Remi for almost 2 weeks now. It's all at home and it's much more affordable than other teeth whitening options. The process is super easy. You're gonna take impressions. So get this kit in the mail. It's like this box. You open it up. It has everything you need. It has instructions. Remi actually has a video with step-by-step instructions. You basically take this blue and this white putty and you mix them together and you roll it up, and then you kind of put it into 2 pieces, kind of form it into the trays, and then you just bite down, you take your impression, and then you take a second impression, and you put them into the provided envelope and seal it up and put it back in the box. So it's super easy. There's step-by-step instructions, so easy. I think it literally took less than 5 minutes. Once you send Remi your impressions, they will mail you back your actual teeth whitening trays. They look like this. It's just like these clear little trays. I got these pretty fast from sending in my impression. So I just got a little envelope which had actual case, and then inside of the case is the actual tray. Also included was the teeth whitening gel. It just has everything you need, so it's super easy and you can get started right away. And you'll just use the teeth whitening trays and the gel for 14 nights, 30 minutes before you go to bed. Kind of the process where I'm at right now. It hasn't quite been the 14 days. Super easy to incorporate into your night routine. What I really love about Remi is that the teeth whitening trays are dental grade. They're like a hard, soft plastic, which is specifically designed to be protective on the outside and comfortable to wear on the inside. It's also BPA free. The teeth whitening solution is non-toxic and it's actually made of high quality vegan ingredients. The kit in particular is actually designed to gently whiten your teeth over the course of 14 nights. So it's going to be really gentle. And for me personally, it didn't cause my teeth any sensitivity. It does it all overnight while you're sleeping. So you don't really have to like leave it in for a certain amount of time and take them out. It just does it overnight. If you join Remi Club, you can get a replenishment of teeth whitening gel every 3 months. So definitely make sure to check out Remi and get a kit of your own. You will love the results and it's so easy. Like I said, it's also really, really comfortable. You should definitely check it out out, get a kit of your own. I actually have a discount code, Grace25. I'll put it here on the screen, and that'll get you 25% off. So definitely get a kit of your own so you can get some nice bright teeth. To navigate to the Remi site, just click the link in my description and that will take you straight to the site. Okay, so now that you guys know all about how I've been getting my teeth super white and what I've been loving to use, I'm going to actually take off my makeup, like I said, brush my teeth, and once I'm actually ready for bed, I'm going to pop these in. These looks like a ghost. Eyes look super red. And now I'm just going in with my Curology. This literally works so good. I've been using this since like around quarantine. I pretty much don't really have any breakouts really since using this. I really love this. I believe I have like a free trial link. I'll put it down in the description. Get like a whole month for free. After that, I think it's like $20 or $25. Really amazing. So I would definitely check this out. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Super Glow. I'm definitely thinking I need a little glow. I would use this, which is the Isle of Paradise Dark Self Tanning Drop. I would just mix it with my moisturizer and put this on my face so my skin doesn't look like a ghost. Like I literally look like I have no life to me right now. Like I don't even have like a tint. I'm naturally very pale. I think I'm gonna redo my tan tomorrow and do like a glow up video tomorrow night. Actually, I think I'm gonna do like a fall glow up. I think it'll be nice if you kind of see in the video me going from this to like nice and glowy and tan. So I think I'm just gonna leave my skin the way it is. I've just taken off my makeup. My skin feels super nice and fresh. I also brushed my teeth. Now I'm just gonna get into my pajamas. I wanted to go ahead and end the video here and say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.